Industry, pollution, agriculture, damming, endangered wildlife. The pressures and problems affecting water are some of the biggest our planet will face in the coming years. And the Kafue Flats in Zambia faces them all. The World Rowing Federation, supported by all its rowing communities and in partnership with WWF, the Worldwide Fund for Nature, have been partners in clean water advocacy and education for some time, but are now taking action for the benefit of us all. Together they're building a very special water centre on the Kafue with 3 purposes: facilitate world-class water research, provide a meeting point for all stakeholders, and develop the sport of rowing. It's called the Kafue River and Rowing Centre, and it's a core element of WWF's Zambezi strategy. The centre's work is only truly useful if the entire planet can benefit, so the discoveries and advances in water research made there will be freely available to anyone, from schools to universities to water scientists and students, making it a place of learning for all. Zambia will then have a meeting point for all stakeholders on the Kafue, as well as a new world-class rowing facility to help develop and grow our sport in this very special place. So let's take to the water. Please support the Kafue River and Rowing Centre by contributing to the fund and becoming a partner. Follow the link to worldrowing.com to pledge your support and help this important project get off to an amazing start. If we help the Kafue, we will help the world. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the A final of the Under-23 men's Coxed 4.
Дами и господа, предстои разпределението на още 7 дисциплини, комплекти медали. Предстои финал А четворка с ролеви младежи.
Germany in lane 1, Stuyven, Kneupel, Schulte-Bockholt, Lesker and Heinemann. In lane 2, Turkey, Arin, Koka, Aslan, Sungurlu, Sumer. In lane 3, Italy, Maestrale, Pagane, Mondelli, Mansuti, Natali. In lane 4, Australia, Cleary, Hardy, Croxford, Snelson, Kopolov. Lane 5, New Zealand, McCaffrey, Webster, Conradi, Van Velthoven, Bosworth. At lane 6, the United States of America, Pettit, Spencer, Goldberg, Fenter and Milne.
Дами и господа, ето и коридорите, в които ще състезават претендентите за златните отличия. Първи коридор Германия, втори коридор Турция, трети Италия, четвърти Австралия, пети Нова Зеландия и шести коридор Съединените американски щати.
Germany, Turkey, Italy, Australia, New Zealand and the USA.
Germany, Turkey, Italy, Australia, New Zealand, USA. Attention.
They're underway. It's the A final of the men's Coxed 4. And it's going to be a fascinating race this, Sam, because we see Turkey and Australia were quickest in the heat. Germany, though, on an outside lane, had to come through the repechage, but if you look back at their times, they were quicker than New Zealand, both in the heats and in the reps, so well worth keeping an eye out on lane 1.
Well, absolutely, Rob. Italy as well, 6:14 they ran in the second of the two heats. They qualified directly. Very, very fast indeed. USA improved on their time in the rep as well, so perhaps experience is key here. At 250 meters, it is one of the closest races we've seen so far. I'd choose Italy of the bunch, though. Italy leading New Zealand for second, USA third, fourth is Germany over Australia. I think probably all 6 crews still sit within 3/4 of a length. So a complete overlap of blades and bodies as we charge our way towards the 500-meter marker. Italy edging out in front strongly, though, pursued by New Zealand. Third, now I would choose the USA ahead of Germany. Australia then take 5th place, and that leaves Turkey with 6th. Turkey, who were fast in the heat, fast on their way here. But Italy and Australia almost exactly the same times on the way. So all to play for. We're just about a quarter of the way through.
Стартира и финал А в дисциплината младежи, четворка с много силен старт за всички лодки. След 500 метра вече се очертават 2 лодки, които са излезли малко напред. Това е лодката на Италия. Тя се класира с най-добро време от сериите директно на финала, но лодката на Нова Зеландия въобще не отстъпва. Новозеландците са рамо до рамо с италианците и постоянно си разменят първото място. На следваща позиция са 3 лодки. Това са лодките на Турция, лодката на Нова Зеландия, на Австралия, извинявайте, и лодката на Съединените американски щати. Ще е невероятна битка за медалите в тази дисциплина. Леко изостанала, но не много, е лодката на Германия. Към момента новозеландската лодка прави атака и се опитва да излезе малко напред. Много хубаво издължено гребане на новозеландците. Не е лесно в тази дисциплина, защото трябват много сили, за да водиш лодка заедно с рулеви, който е 55 кг. Атака на лодката на Нова Зеландия. Италианската лодка продължава да удържа атаката и да бъде леко на втора позиция, би казала, наравно почти с лодката на Нова Зеландия. На едно равнище са лодките на Турция, Австралия и Съединените американски щати. Ще има невероятна битка за медалите в тази дисциплина.
Halfway through and still anybody's game at this stage. New Zealand and Italy go gunning out in front of the field. New Zealand just possibly hanging on ahead of Italy in second place. At the moment, third, I would give to Australia, the fastest of all on their way here. Currently, they look very, very calm. In a sea of flying rates, they sit resolutely where they were before the 1,000 metres and maintain third place. Fourth, USA have just, in fact, slipped behind Turkey. Fourth, Turkey. Fifth, USA. Sixth, Germany on the far side. Germany actually a length down on the main race pack. We've got these 2 crews out in front. That's Italy and New Zealand. Those two have got about a length on the midfield here, which is comprised of Australia, the USA and Turkey. Then another length down we find ourselves with Germany running at the back of the pack. The whole field, though, fits in less than 3 boat lengths. One of the closest races we've had so far. You could see that coming, perhaps, from how close the times were through the heats and the reps. But brilliant stuff. Italy, though, on fine form. They've taken more and more out of New Zealand. They've got 3/4 of a length now, and it's Turkey on the charge. I expect Turkey to make the move towards second place. We're just coming up towards 1,500 metres, about 4.5 minutes in. So another 90 seconds, a little bit over, perhaps, for these crews to run.
На 1500 метра италианската лодка дигна рязко темпото. В момента те са на първа позиция. Дали ще издържат? Невероятна атака на лодката на Турция. Новозеландците в момента като че ли малко намалиха своята скорост. Австралийската лодка също е в атака. Не изостава и лодката на Съединените американски щати. Ще има голяма битка за медалите в тази дисциплина.
Well, I get the feeling it's about to be quite a loud grandstand as Italy lead New Zealand, then Turkey, then Australia, now Germany, followed by the USA towards the finish line. Italy on absolutely magnificent form. Their performance excellent throughout this race. Carefully calculated move against New Zealand has seen them hold 3/4 of a length as they come towards 1750. The field closing up massively though. USA just slipping though. Germany have managed to get their way back into the midfield. USA just starting to lose contact. Italy lead New Zealand. Turkey, I think, are just third if they can hang on ahead of both Australia and Germany, charging down each side.
Финални метри Италия или Нова Зеландия. Кой ще вземе златния медал в отсъствието на миналогодишния шампион? Италия дава максимално от себе си, новозеландците правят атака. Турската лодка за сега е твърдо на трето място.
Tremendous support for all the crews, but it's New Zealand using it best. New Zealand on a massive charge for the line. They, I think, now just edging ahead of Italy. Absolutely massive from them. It'll go to the line. And actually, I'd say Italy ahead of New Zealand, but Germany out of nowhere. Germany from 5th, from 6th at the halfway stage. I think Italy, New Zealand, probably Germany. Absolutely fantastic finish.
Absolutely fantastic finish. I told you to look out for the Germans, didn't I? And I'm pretty sure they came home to take that bronze medal. But it is Italy winning the gold in a time of 6 minutes, 24.57 seconds. Silver goes to New Zealand. Bronze, Germany.
Дами и господа, изключителен финал наблюдавахме току-що и златни отличия за италианците, които завършиха първи с време 6:24.57. Само на 21 стотни след тях е лодката на Нова Зеландия, която наистина така набра скорост в последните метри, но наистина не успя да достигне по-рано до финиша. И разбира се, отличниците в тази серия Германия, които си завоюваха и третото място и бронзовите отличия. Четвърта позиция остава за Турция, пета за Австралия и шеста за Съединените щати. Дами и господа, церемония по награждаване на световното първенство по гребане Пловдив 2015 в дисциплината четворка без ролеви девойки.
Cérémonie protocolaire des championnats du monde moins de 23 ans 2015, 400 barreurs femmes.
Victory ceremony for the 2015 World Rowing Under